Here we are again. Local grocery shopping. Let's find something interesting. Let's go to their cakes. Oh my. Looks good. Ang cute nito. Oh my god. Mering, basta merang, ganyan. Masarap yun. Oh, look at that cake. It's cute. Pastry. Oh, this is cute. I should get one of this. Ito parang ampaw. Malaking version na ampaw. Dito, cookie. Parang fortune cookie. Tapos mayroong filling sa loob. Yung nakain ko, para siyang hazelnut yung nasa loob. Masarap. Medyo mahal yung honey nila dito. Maganda din naman yung quality. So, ito parang 13 dirhams. Yan, parang 20. May nabili kanina sa market. Ganon din yung price. Parang ganito kalaki. Ano lang, mga 17 dirhams. So, mas mura pa rin dun sa market. Ang cute ng liquid soap na to. Baka Korea. Ang cute lang. Oh, parang Korean. Ayan, shower gel. Ha, ang cute. So actually, I'm here para maghanap ng scrub. Mag-ano kasi kami, magsi-steam bath. So, kailangan ko ng scrub. Naman naiintindihan yung mga product. Saan kayong scrub dito? Ah, baka sa kabila. Uy, ang cute-cute naman ito. 16,000. So, nasa $150. Ah, ang cute. Ano kaya tawag nito? Palagi ko ito nakikita pero hindi ko alam yung tawag. So, I'll take this. One for me, one for him. It's a shower gel. There you go. Body scrub. $4,045 dirhams. Ang mahal. Ito parang maganda. Ayan, body salt scrub. 14,000. Ang mahal naman ito. 14,000 means 1,500. 1,000, no. 150. Let's find something here. Ayan, baking soda. 22 dirhams. I think this is reasonable. Okay, this spa powder. My God, ang sweets nila. Napaka-tempting yung mga kulay. Very good talaga kayo. Look at that, oh. And this, diba? Ayan pa, oh. Nakaka-happy. Yan. Grabe. I should take some. Dami kong binili. May mga beer, local beer dyan. Tapos yung mga club. And now I'm walking back to the hotel alone. Ang ganda ng location namin. Malapit sa metro, maraming pwedeng bilihan, mga restaurants. Wala akong pera, kaya ibenta ko muna yung aking atay. Naglalakad sa malamig na gabi. Bit-bit yung groceries. I love this place. As in, I really like this place. Ang peaceful lang. Ang kalma ng mga tao. Parang hindi ka natatahon maglakad mag-isa kasi ang daming naglalakad mag-isa na mga babae. Alam mo yun, you can really feel na at ease ka sa isang lugar. Iba yung vibe. Parang wala kang takot na nararamdaman. So I really like this place. I like Almaty. I like Kazakhstan. So walking alone. Ayan. Yan yung hotel namin. There. Ang ganda ng location kasi as in literal 2 minutes walk to the metro station, and paglabas mo may mga restaurants, grocery, pharmacy. So it's a good location. I would recommend. Hindi siya yung hotel na 5-star, pero it's a decent hotel. And we paid 250 dirhams a day. So okay na siya. I think it was the... Ayan. 4. We're going to the spa. Magre-ready lang kami. And we will relax today. And tomorrow, we're planning to go to Almaty Big Lake and to Tao Spa. Another spa pero nasa mountain siya.